Creating financial goals is something we talk about a lot here at SoFi. Whether your goal is to live debt-free or build a financial legacy for your family, learning to manage your finances is the first step toward reaching your goal. Here's how to get started. First, make a monthly household budget, tracking expenses and setting spending targets. A spreadsheet is an easy way to track and catalog expenses to make sure you're not going over your target. But there's more automated ways to track spending too, like SoFi Relay. Whether you buy a coffee with your credit card or write a check to pay your mortgage, every expense appears in one easy-to-use dashboard. Next, work toward eliminating credit card debt. High-interest credit card debt can make it challenging to reach your financial goals. There's different ways to accomplish this, like the snowball method, where you tackle the smallest debt first and build momentum as you move to larger debts. Or you could use a personal loan to consolidate your credit card debt at a potentially lower rate with a fixed monthly payment. Either way, making those account balances go down can potentially help your credit rating go up. Finally, build a savings plan to help meet your long-term financial goals. SoFi Money makes saving easier than ever by auto-saving a portion of your direct deposits toward your savings goals with vaults, and saving the change each time you swipe your card with roundups. By automating your savings, you can hit your goals without even thinking about it, like letting SoFi do the job for you. Switch to SoFi Money, a cash management account that earns interest, has no account fees, and more.